Leverage. Leverage is a scheme introduced to enable traders to borrow money in order to have access to buy more units, even with small capital. You see, before now, when leverage was not in vogue, Forex is initially made for everybody, but not everybody can trade Forex before leverage was introduced because it demands huge capital to be involved in Forex. So they now brought this scheme called leverage. It helps everybody participate in Forex with small capital. With your $1, with your $2, with your $10, you'll be able to trade Forex with the help of leverage. This gives traders the opportunity to make more profit and as well more loss. Leverage also expose you to profit, it also expose you to loss. So you should be mindful of the type of leverage you use, or or even selecting big leverage. You should be mindful of your risk management. Don't be tempted to use bigger lot size because you have the advantage of leverage. Then bro, you you might lose your account if you don't manage your risks very well. Types of leverage. We have so many types of leverage. It ranges from 1:20, 1:10, 1 ratio, but the most commonly one are this: 1:50, 1:100, 1:200, 1:500, 1:1000, 1:2000, and 1:unlimited. Some countries only allow their citizens to use 1:50. The reason be that for every single dollar you deposit in your account, it's viewed as $50, which is if you deposit $1 times 50. So the amount on your account will be viewed as $50, even if you have $1 showing on your account. But at the back end, when you want to place trade, you'll be able to buy unit worth $50 without your $1. That is if you select 1:50. He said this state that for every single dollar you deposit, it's viewed as 50, 100, 200, or unlimited, depending on the leverage you select. If you select 1:2000 and you deposit $1 on your on your on your trading account, it will be viewed as $2000. You have the buying capacity of $2000. If you then deposit $10 and you use 1:50, it will be multiplied by 50, which is 10 times 50, 500. You have the buying 500 buying capacity. You'll be able to buy the unit worth $500. Why? If you choose 1:0 unlimited, which means you have unlimited capacity. And mind you, you are exposed to loss, you are also exposed to what? To profit. So you better use a proper risk management, and also whatever leverage you select, risk management is the key. Just use a proper risk management in order for you not to lose your account. You can also see leverage is the 99% your broker lend to you in order for you to be able to participate in Forex. You come into the market with this small amount, but with the help of leverage, you have a buying capacity of this big amount. You see, with the help of leverage, you have a buying capacity of this big amount. That's your 1%. Whenever you want to place trade, remember your broker provides you with the 99%. Whenever you want to place trade, you will be requested to deposit 1% of the total asset you are buying. 1% of the total asset you are buying, and that 1% is known as margin. You will understand it more on our next class. We'll be talking about margin, free margin, equity, and balance. You understand it more there, and margin level. So leverage is what helps trader to be able to participate in Forex even with small amount. I believe you understand now. In our next class, you understand how the broker help you with 90%, 99%, and you also provide 1% in order for you to participate in Forex. Yes, be mindful of the leverage you select when creating your brokerage account. And even if you select bigger leverage like this, 1:1000, 1:2000, 1 unlimited, you are advised to use proper risk management. You understand? Regarding the amount you deposit in your account, use proper risk management so that you will stay long on the market. First, is all about longevity. Longevity is not just coming. What if you lose all your money now? If you lose all your money now, you won't be there to trade tomorrow. So it is better use proper risk management so that if you lose today, you lose tomorrow, you lose next tomorrow, you also have more money to trade for the rest of the week or for the rest of the month. With proper risk management, you'll be able to trade multiple times without getting your account blown, even when you are in your losing streaks. Select good leverage and make proper use of leverage when creating your brokerage account. Even with using bigger leverage, please be careful, be mindful of your risk management because it is one of the key in Forex.